Hello, welcome to my channel. So today's video I am going to be filming a tutorial on this eye look using my custom made Colourpop. It's a mood palette and I made it as fall aesthetic as possible. The colors are so vibrant, so beautiful for a transition to autumn from summer, and this is my finished eye look. It's very fiery, bold, full of warmth of the oranges and pinks that I've seen in the summer sunsets I've recently looked at in this month of August. I don't know if I made any sense there, but I hope you enjoy and I hope you've been doing really well. And with all that said, I will start the video right now. So I kind of want to go for a summer to fall eye look, almost as a transition to changing the weather seasons, and I will be taking the shade called Stay Close. And I'll put that as my transitional shade, taking my Sigma E40 brush. Okay, so the next shade I want to take is New Moon. This right here. It's like a burnt, rusty, orangish shade. And I'm going to be taking my I Heart Revolution brush. And I'll put that lightly in my crease. Okay, so now I am going to be taking a shimmer for all over the lid, and I'm going to be taking a pink shade just to reminisce the sunsets I've been seeing recently in August, and they've been stunning. I'll show like a picture of what I've took so far, and all I see is pink. It's beautiful. So I'm going to be taking a shade called Bona Fide. This one right here. And I'll be taking my BH Cosmetics brush and number 7. And it's just like a eye shader brush. And then I will damp my brush to make it more metallic. So that shade came out really pretty. I love the dimension it gives with the matte shades. They pretty much go together very well. So the last shade I'm taking is called Reunion. Looks like this one. And I'll put that in my inner corner. Oh, and I'm taking my Dollar Tree brush. We'll also wet my brush. Okay, so this is my finished look, and I love how all the colors came together, and I feel like it does emphasize the heated weather August does bring for the last weeks of summer. I'm personally not a fan of the heat, so I'm looking forward to autumn. And yeah, so that is the end of this video. I hope you liked the tutorial. May God bless always. Take good care. Be safe. And yeah, I'm going to say goodnight now. Good night.